Hello guys and welcome to today's guide. Want to turn your skills or community into cash with Whop in this year? Whether you're a creator, affiliate or content maker, Whop's marketplace offers multiple ways to earn online. So first, of course, you need to set up a Whop store to sell digital products like courses, ebooks or software. Sign up at whop.com for free. As you can see, I already have my account set up. Click Start Selling and create your Whop hub. Think of it as your online shop. So just go ahead into here, press on Start Selling. Add apps like courses or files to upload content, set prices, and list on Whop's marketplace, reaching 2 million weekly visitors per medium. For example, a crypto course creator earned £300 monthly by moving to Whop, says AIbusinessplans.com. No upfront fees, just a 3% revenue share per sale. Right, next up guys is you can earn as a affiliate. You can sign into Whop, then go to the affiliates tab right over here in your dashboard and grab unique links for top courses or communities. You can share these on social media or blogs, earn commissions per sale, often 20 to 50% per Whop's guide. A beginner made £7,500 monthly promoting creators per X posts. No products creation needed, just a niche audience and authentic promotion like gaming or fitness. Also guys, you can try Whop clips for quick cash, create or repurpose videos about Whop communities, post on YouTube or TikTok and earn £1 to 2.80 per 1,000 views via the bounties section, says Whop. Submit your video link in the Whop University content reward for instant payouts. Ex-users report earning on day one with simple screen recordings. Pro tip, focus on high-earning Whops, like those making £200,000 monthly. And that's how you earn on Whop, sell products, promote as an affiliate, create clips, and that's pretty much how you do it. Earning your cash yet? Share your story below, like and subscribe and ring the bell for more money making tips. Until next time.